Hey, good morning from the beautiful city of Jakarta. Looks like there's some constructions going on nearby. So I just landed last night and I haven't really gotten to check out the city yet. And I've tried the Indonesian food. I think this is like the stir-fried noodles that I ordered from Grab, and yeah, it was pretty good. I ate that last night. Room's a little bit messed. This is what the room's looking like. This is about $14 USD, I think. It's perfect for me. Bathroom right here. This one bed. It's pretty, not too shabby. And so we have a couple things to do today. I need to go get some food. I'm feeling a little bit hungry. And first of all, I need to go to the ATM nearby and get some rupiah out. I think they call it rupiah out here, Indonesian rupiah. And yeah, I want to check out the city, see what it offers. Okay, so this is the hotel that I'm staying at currently. This is what it looks like from the outside. Let's go find an ATM. It says it's 5 minutes away. Let's see. Looks like it's a big construction going on in this building. I'm surprised of how small these roads are, and they still make it work. Looks like it's construction going on. Man, these are some hard-working men. In this heat, I can't imagine. I can't imagine, oh my God, working in this heat. God, look at this small little kitten. Look at this baby. You want some food? Oh my God, bro. I'm gonna get you some food. You gonna be here? I'm gonna get you some food. I really wanna find something for that little cat. I just feel bad for that little kitten. Let's see what they have. I don't even know what to get it. English, please enter your PIN. Let's take out the maximum. 1250. That's it. I can only take out $74. Let me get the cat some. I couldn't find anything for the cat except for some biscuits, so let's try to give it that. If it doesn't like it, then I'll just eat it. I'll just eat it. How about that? I don't even know if it's still there. I can't find it. I think it was right here. I can't. Yeah, I think it went out there somewhere. Oh, there's a chicken. I cannot find it. Man, I try to find that little kitten, but I don't know. I think it went in, and there were people living there, so I didn't really want to. But maybe, I mean, I live right near it, so I feel like I'll see the little kitten again. I'll try to feed it. I just feel bad, really bad. One thing I'm noticing is there's not a lot of street sidewalks. I mean, I think over there it is, but okay, out here it is. I see a lot of street vendors, like small street vendors just selling. I don't know what kind of food they are, but hello. Oh my God, it's hot. Oh, they got some coconut here. They got some fruits. I'm gonna have to come back for those fruits. I'm kind of hungry. If I find some good food right now, it looks like some
ramen. If I can find some good food, I wouldn't mind right now. I heard like Jakarta is like a sinking city or something. They're doing like they're putting like billions of dollars so it doesn't sink, I think, the Indonesian government. I don't know, I just saw something, I don't know if it's true or not, but I'm just kind of seeing the neighborhoods near my hotel. I see some luxurious stuff, and then right next to it, there are gonna be some not so luxurious stuff. So the contrast of rich versus poor. Because some other cities, you know, it's like you only see rich people or poor people in one side. But out here, it's rich can be right here, poor can be right over there. You'll see some houses that are big. Like, look at this building. Like, you can just tell this is. Okay, I'm gonna try to find like a noodle place. Okay, there's a nearby one. Let's go here. 9-minute walk. It's called Golden Lamin Siding. Let's go there. Also, in the comments, I want you guys to recommend me the foods I should try that you guys will think that I would like. Recommend me some good dishes, good Indonesian dishes. And also recommend me some places I should go to. I'm only out here for like 4 or 5 days, so not too long. I'm about to go to Bali after this. There's a football post in here. And they got some basketball hoop too. Okay, I wish I had a basketball. Man, I would love to play some basketball right now. I don't know if this is free, but I just need a basketball. Nice homes. Look at some very nice homes. This home's really nice. Look at the gates, oh my God. Can't even jump over that gate. Lemon. They got Domino's right here over here too at KFC. I don't know if I want some pizza. What do I want? Let's actually go to Domino's. Let's try some Domino's out here. Let's see what they got out here. Hello. Can I get a cheese bread? They got some chicken. Can I get the chicken pepperoni?
Yes.
Yeah, hand tossed. Can I do the filled mozzarella?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll do that. One small cola, yes, please. Bro, on the pictures it looks good, but let's see. Okay, our pizza is finally here. First time trying Domino's in. Okay, looks good in Indonesia. Wow, this looks pretty good. Bro, they have a nice. This is the upstairs. It's really nice. Like, we don't got this in the US. Like, this is actually very nice. Look at this pizza. Oh my God, it looks good. Let's see, it looks good, but they gotta taste good as well.
Wish I had a tripod.
Wow, it's cheesy. I'm gonna try to demolish this pizza and then catch you guys after. Okay, I have just finished most of it, just the crust are remaining. I just felt a little full, so I'm just gonna toss that. And then I'll probably just head back to my hotel. But that was good. The Domino was really fire. Yeah, I feel full. I also wanted to check out the metro system in Jakarta. I heard it's really good out here. So I wanna maybe go somewhere. Maybe for the next video, I'm gonna do the metro system video. I don't know how far the metro is from me, but it shouldn't be too far. The one thing I'm noticing about Jakarta is the traffic. Like, even at night when I was coming from the airport, there was a lot of traffic. Like, it's easy for the bikes to go, but the cars is, look how heavy the traffic is. But yeah, I'm liking Jakarta so far. It's only been a day, but the people have been nice and kind to me. I wonder what these buildings are. Oh, bro just gave me a hi. Damn, they got graffitis up here. Bro, how do you get up there? My man's making some tires right here. A lot of graffitis. Look at that. Oh my God, a lot of honking. I've been noticing, oh my God. Too much honking. Oh my God, honking everywhere. Is this normal in Indonesia? Oh my. Oh, that's some street food over here. It's so hard to walk because there's not really a street. I mean, there's not really a sidewalk. Like, the cars are really like near me. So I gotta always be on the lookout. What are these? A lot of street foods. I feel like so much is going on. We are back at the hotel. Well, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And don't forget to subscribe and like. And yeah, I'll try to make some more videos out here and hope you guys continue watching.